welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We want to say thank you so much, guys, for who brought the cooking book. It's amazing to know that so many people brought a book, so many people leave their comments, and things is just growing the right and proper way. But anyway, we have a lot more stuff coming out, which is gonna be amazing. So thank you so much, guys, and hopefully we can come out with best and better in the future. Basically, I want to say the price won't change, but what I want to simply say to you, the book, we have the volume 2, which is gonna be coming out very soon. The volume 2 is not written in England, it's written in Jamaica. So basically it's just strictly Jamaican recipe. You know what I mean? The reason why a certain kind of recipe was in this book, because that's where I was coming from, and that's where I was started, and that's what I did at those time. But now, you know what I mean, things grow, things grow and things different, and you know what I mean, things just come out a little bit better and more experience and a lot of stuff in the pipeline. So thank you so much, guys, and you know what I mean, we have a lot of stuff. If anything, leave your comments below. You can ask me any question, you can request something for Mother's Day, and even for Easter we got the bun and cheese coming out also. And also we got 30,000 subscribers, which is brilliant. Even myself couldn't do that, but because of you. So thank you so much, and hopefully we can come out with better and better for 2016 same way. Love from Chef Ricardo, and see you next time. Bye bye.